50 crypto headlines in under 3 minutes. No fluff, no filler, just the exact facts moving the markets right now. Let's get into it. Institutional and regulatory shakeups or shakedowns. 1. U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs suffer a historic 9-day outflow streak, losing $2.8 billion. 2. BlackRock's IBIT ETF logs a massive $528 million single-day redemption. 3. A groundbreaking joint SEC and CFTC crypto playbook drops, explicitly declaring most crypto tokens are not securities. 4. Asset manager Grayscale delays its highly anticipated IPO, citing cooled public market conditions. 5. Crypto trading giant Falcon X confidentially files with the SEC for its own public IPO. 6. Federal Reserve independence is heavily tested as new Fed Chair Kevin Warsh takes the helm. Will he or won't he? 7. Trump continues public pressure on the Fed to aggressively lower interest rates. Why doesn't he mind his own business? 8. China launches its biggest regulatory crackdown in decades, targeting offshore crypto billions. 9. MicroStrategy's famous never sell Bitcoin narrative begins to crack under investor pressure. 10. Intercontinental Exchange CEO calls decentralized platform Hyperliquid bigger than Nasdaq. 11. Institutional liquidity rotates out of digital assets and directly into high-flying tech equities. 12. The SEC hits a roadblock, delaying binary prediction market ETFs linked to Kalshi. 13. Microsoft partner Irene borrows $3.6 billion to build out NVIDIA AI chip infrastructure. 14. Bhutan publicly denies spreading viral rumors of a $1 billion government Bitcoin sale. 15. Ethereum Foundation announces a sudden and unexpected shakeup in its executive leadership. Bitcoin and market techni finals. Moving to the charts. 16. Bitcoin slips below the critical $73,000 mark despite political tailwinds. 17. Big Daddy Bitcoin faces immediate technical support defense at $72,000. 18. Analysts warn of a major bear flag formation capping local relief rallies. 19. The crucial macro $70,000 psychological floor stands as the ultimate line in the sand. 20. Overhead resistance hardens as sellers cluster heavily. 21. Bitcoin's daily MACD, stupid name, indicator teeters on a knife edge between a bullish and bearish flip. Lumens crushes competitors in a head-to-head battle. 22. High whale accumulation contrasts sharply with a documented retail buyer drought. 23. CryptoQuant, cool name, data reveals long-term holder supply remains heavily locked away. 24. Over $82,000 in liquidation clusters remain highly targeted by market makers. 25. A wide CME gap opens between $82,000 and $84,000, sparking relief rally targets. Now I know you want to go to the bathroom, but hold it, there's more. Sit down and listen up. 26. Bitcoin market dominance firmly holds a staggering 60% of the entire ecosystem. 27. Global stablecoin net issuance stalls, leaving the market heavily flow-dependent. 28. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index drops to 23%, flashing deep market fear. 29. Bitcoin breaks its descending trendline from October, keeping long-term bulls alive. 30. Long-term forecasts predict Bitcoin still on path toward $150,000 next cycle. Layer 1's DeFi and altcoin drama, storm in a B-cup. Altcoins and ecosystem networks. 31. Ethereum market dominance plummets below 10% for the first time since July 2025. That's not surprising to anyone. Are you surprised, Tony? 32. Ethereum prices slide to open the week at low local support levels. 33. Ethereum's price structure breaks below its crucial April lows. 34. Ethereum and Solana DEX transaction volumes sit at near equal levels. 35. A highly sophisticated trapdoor package attack targets Solana, Sui, and Aptos wallets. 36. Kelp and Aave launch coordinated emergency asset recovery services following an exploit. 36A. If you want more content like this, subscribe or be left behind with the normies. 37. Core developers launch a protective service to combat dangerous blind transaction signing. 38. Dogecoin outpaces major large-cap assets as open interest surges 57%. 39. Chainlink logs its largest single-day exchange outflow since December, hitting $9 million. The poor billionaires, will they be eating rice and beans today? I don't think so. 40. Strive Asset Management captures intense investor interest as Strive's STRC fund slips below $99. We never sell our Bitcoin. 41. Ripple's XRP and Tron post modest weekly gains of over 3%. 42. Binance Coin and Solana trade completely flat through intense volatility cycles. 43. Bitcoin Cash heavily underperforms the broader market, dropping 4.5%. 44. Staking services report a massive increase in locked ETH, reducing active circulating supply. 45. Decentralized application layer usage hits record transactions even as asset valuations slide lower. Finishing with global macro. 46. U.S. manufacturing PMI rises to 55.3, beating expectations and keeping inflation concerns hot. Yes, hot like the weather today. 47. U.S. services PMI slips to 50.9, completing a mixed risk asset signal for global traders. 48. Escalating geopolitical tensions keep crude oil prices elevated, putting massive pressure on global bonds. Okay, we're almost done. The bathroom is that away, Brian. No, turn left. If you're still here, you're not a loser, like the others who have already given up and left. We wish them luck. 49. Markets anxiously eye a developing 60-day ceasefire extension framework. 50. Global supply chain blockades remain unresolved, forcing crypto investors to hold strict defensive cash. 50 headlines. Done. Which level are you watching closest this weekend? Drop your thoughts below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow. Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only. It does not constitute financial or trading advice. Cryptocurrencies are volatile assets. Always do your own research.